Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert stock chart in MS Word. So very easily you can insert it in MS Word. So firstly you need to click on insert. You see here this insert tab, so just click on it. Now chart, and here you see this option stock, so just click on it, and here stock chart will be there. So select you like this, this one will be you like, so just select it and click on OK. You see here this chart very easily inserted. You can very easily insert stock chart in MS Word. So thanks for watching this video.